Hello everyone, in this video I will share the latest winning products that you can use for drop shipping, e-commerce on Amazon or eBay or any other e-commerce application. These winning products are also trending a lot on Google search engine, and I'm using this tool Muztrends to get latest winning and trending products every day. You can also sign up for free and get some awesome winning products that are also trending a lot on Google. So make sure to check out this tool, and you will get a lot of products from different and from non-English as well. So let's get to the list of these latest winning products for this month of August 2022. And the first product is Silicone Broom. This has been trending a lot recently, and it's really cool product. Let me show you the links. So this is also, you can also see demo video as well here. First let me show you the trend in past 7 days. This has been going viral, as you can see, on 22nd, 21st. Some trend spikes here as well. You can see here breakout trend for some related search terms. So this product is trending a lot, and this is really cool product. You can see the demo video here as well. Yeah, you can see it's really convenient. Works for, as you can see, for wet floors and for dry floors as well, and it's kind of like multi-purpose silicone broom. So this is trending a lot. It's really cool product. You can find a link on AliExpress as well. Yeah, you can see here. So this product is also called magic broom, I guess. So silicone or magic brooms, this is trending a lot. You can see, yeah, you can see a lot of breakout trends. So this is going super viral right now, and you should definitely promote this product. It is really awesome product. So the next one is really creative and important product for the holiday season. This is called Little Elf, and it's cutter for wrapping paper, gift wrapping papers. You can see demo video here as well. So this is also a really efficient product that helps you cut the wrapping papers in a perfect way. You can see a demo video here as well. So this product is a cheap product, goes around, I guess, yeah, $2. So you can see the demo video here as well. This is also trending a lot, and as you know that sales really pick up for the holiday season in October. So this is the perfect time to sell this, especially on in the September and in October. This is perfect time to sell this product. You can see in the demo video that it's really convenient to cut the gift wrapping paper. So this product is trending a lot. You can see the trend on Google Trends. This has been trending in past 7 days. It went viral on 24th of August. You will see some related search terms showing breakout trends. So this is another great product that you can promote right now and make some easy sales. Another cool product is solar Tiki lights. These are flame-like lights that are powered by little solar panels. So you can just pin them anywhere on your backyard or front yard. You don't need any wiring or any other stuff. Simple, just pin them in your backyard or front yard, and they will just work on their own using solar panels. So this is also really cool product. And if we check out the trend on Google, and you will see this product is trending a lot. And I'll switch to your past 5 years to give you a better picture. You can see solar power ticket torches showing a breakout trend, and some red search term showing a lot of trend rise. So this is a really good product, and you can see some states, Florida and Pennsylvania, where this product is showing a lot of search trend. It has monthly search volume, overall search volume in the United States around 1300 searches per month. And for this product as well, you can find the link on AliExpress. You can see the demo video here as well. It is, yeah, so yeah, you can see this has flame light effects. So this is like a super cool product that is trending a lot. And the fourth product in this list is collapsible hangers. These are super convenient, especially when you're traveling. Let's see the search trend. Yeah, as you can see, Reddit search term showing a very high trend rise happening right now. This is another product that you can promote, and especially given that this is showing a lot of search trend, so this should be easy sale for you, uh, for accessories and fashion, especially for those audience that is related to relevant to traveling. So another product that you should have in your list. The next product is cordless hair dryer. Let's first see the trend on Google Trends. Let me just show you the search trend here. You can see this is kind of going viral, and you can see below a lot of related search terms. This and related brand products. You can see this another brand, at least three brands of cordless hair dryer showing breakout trends. So this is definitely showing a lot of trend right now, and you can see the states where this is trending a lot: New York, Ohio, California, Florida. So this is really great product, and it's showing insane trend. It has normal search volume 4500 searches per month from United States, but given the fact this is trending a lot, the search volume will be definitely a lot higher than this one. This product is around $30, and you can find the link on AliExpress as well. You can see here. So this is cordless, battery powered, and this is like USB powered. So this product is trending a lot right now, and definitely you can make, especially if you have brand store related to fashion and accessories. You must promote this product right now in this month and make some easy sales and profits. The next product is wireless dash cam. You just stick it in your vehicle. It is kind of like portable. No wiring required, no hassle. Just stick them in your windshield inside part, and you conveniently link them with your smartphone. And it has general search volume 2400 searches per month from United States. Let's see the trend as well on Google Trends. And yeah, we can see this is kind of like breakout trend. Yes, definitely breakout. You can see at least yeah, at least five searched. All of these are showing breakout trend. So this battery rechargeable. This is a brand. Again, a breakout trend. So we have like five related search terms showing breakout trend. Definitely trending a lot. And in this case, you can see this one in California, New York. So different states for this product, but definitely a lot of demand right now. And this is really like convenient product. You can have if you're like vlogger, or you really are into recording stuff, so you can just uh, put this in your backpack and stick it anytime you're traveling in your friend's car, or you just like Ubering and other stuff. You can just take that and make some awesome videos. So this is definitely a hot selling product right now in this month, and you should also like promote this and get some piece of the pie. So the last product in this list is I must say this is related to like audience of teenagers and perhaps women. You can see this is shoe paint kit, and this is also showing some good trend rise on Google search engine, and that's why you should promote and for these product for kind of products that are trending. You can definitely make some sales, especially if you have brand like stores. You will see for the brand stores in the United States, the conversion is a lot higher than the normal stores, because people are really aware about Chinese products and dropshipping, and when they just get hint of a store that is like linked to Chinese product, they will just back out, and you will see conversion will be a lot lower. But for the brand type stores, these kind of products will work really well. And this product has every search volume 2400 searches per month in the United States. If we see the trend right now, yeah, this is sure some search term, but not a lot of trend. Let's switch to past 7 days. Yeah, this is like average trend, but this was trending like a couple of days back. That's why it's selected in this list. And still, it's a really good product to promote, especially to the audience that is like more towards the teenagers and younger people, and you will see some conversion on this as well. So this was a list of latest winning products that are also trending a lot on Google search engine. If you want to see more of these videos, just make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on this video. I will see you next time with another list of latest highest trending products.